Hello Robert, I'm pleased to say both your clocks are converted and repaired. So the elm clock has been repaired, movement's been replaced. Also the hands, I've chose this larger, I think it's a 7.5 centimetre baton style hand. It's quite a bit bigger than the old style hand. So that's simple. You can change the time from the front of these. If you need to change the time, you can carefully and slowly turn it. If you're not comfortable doing that, then yeah, feel fine doing it from the back, from the thumb wheel. But there's no harm done to the clock if you do it from the front. Let's take a look at this one. So the mantle clock, as discussed, it's had a good old clean. The wood's come up nicely. The chrome's come up well. Just open the... Oh yeah, we also repaired the damage to the fretwork. So these are the fake winders. So that's a solid brass insert, which keeps your clock looking like it always has. They're your original steel hands. This is new. This is a dark steel stud cap just to go on the end there, just so you don't see inside of the hole where the movement works are. So that pretty well looks like it always has done, but it's a little bit cleaner and now battery powered. So if we just turn around inside, just slide it down. There's your new movement, nothing special. These little circles here, these are the 3D printed holders for the fake winders. When you put the battery in, it will come without batteries because I can't send them. Royal Mail don't like me sending batteries in clocks. So just get yourself a couple of good quality Duracell or Panasonic batteries, AA sized for both clocks. So you just put it in on the left hand side on the negative side. Put a bit of friction, put a bit of force against the spring. It's hard to do with this. And pop it in. So it comes out from the positive side. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you've done it before anyway. Well, that's it. So thank you very much. Pleasure working on those clocks. I hope you're pleased with them when you get them back. Payment details are in the video. If you can just confirm when it's paid, I'll get them posted back to you. Thanks again. Cheers. Bye.